Hey there, everybody. Today we're going to be making a vise to go onto the tool post for the lathe because in the near future I have a project that requires a mill and I do not have one. So I'll be making a vise to go on there so I can use the lathe as a mill because my lower receiver requires a mill and I do not have one. So let's get started. Okay, everybody, this is what I'll be using. I'll be using all thread 3/8 square stock, and a 1/4 inch flat bar. What I'm going to do is I'm stick this 3/8 square stock in my 4-jaw chuck, take the measurement of how long I need it. I think I'm going to come out maybe 7 inches, 6 inches, so it'll be from here to here, and I'm going to use that for the whole vise. So I'm stick it in there and use the edge of the 4-jaw for the squaring up of the stock. It'll be easier, I think. We'll find out. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do is use the jaw and just square it up, turn it, working with one hand here, mark it, turn it, cut it, then take it back out and cut it out by hand. So I'll be right back. Alright, I went ahead and cut the end off. I'm now going to square up the end on the lathe, which I could have done. Instead of cutting it off, I could just square it up. Oh well, we're here now. I think that's what I'm going to do for the rest of it, on the lathe and square it up. So, without further ado, slow it down on the tailstocks, or on the support in the back. Or too much. Working one-handed. Close enough. So I'm going to do that for the rest of them, and I'll be right back. Real quick, I decided 7 inches I'll make it. So it would be somewhere out here ish. So I'll make it about 7 inches long. This way I can hold my part I need comfortably. So I thought I'll share that with you. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out 7 inches, cut it, then mark out the width. It's probably be 2-inch width. So I'll mark out 2 inches, cut it. Then I'm going to take it on the lathe and then square it up, bevel it, then I'll drill holes through the 2-inch parts, 1/4 inch, and then I'll be right back. Alright everybody, I got them all cut out, but this is going to be a 2 to 3 part video. So what happened was I'm short 2 inches. I'm short about 2 inches. I got 3 of them, and I got 4 of them. So I'm gonna make it where it clamps down, so you can move it up and down. So it's gonna look something like this. Something like close enough, but it looks something like that. And there's gonna be all thread going through there, and yeah. Actually, not short 2 inches. I'm actually short more. Maybe another 10 inches estimate. So this is gonna be a 2 to 3 part video. So if you want to see more, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.